Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Beach Mono wig fresh from the box. This is an Wille wig from their Hair Power collection, and the color is light Bernstein rooted. I'm gonna go over the color in a separate color spotlight video. This is just about Beach Mono. Immediately, my first impression right out of the box was that this is what would happen to something like Zuma from Renee Paris or Kona from Beltress if you grew it out and gave it a little bit more hair. This looks a lot like those cuts, only longer and more. Yeah, this is a very shaggy cut for sure. Like, she's got tons of layering up here and down here, lots of body. This could be very easily overwhelming on somebody with a small frame. So unless you like big hair, if you have a small frame, you may want to avoid this one. She's a little feathered up here in the front. Just a really interesting, slightly 80s retro cut. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off so I can show you the cap construction. So Beach Mono by Wille has a monofilament lace front that is pre-cut and contoured. There is no seam between that and the monofilament side part, which is both of which, by the way, are hand tied. We also have some felt lining the perimeter of the top of the cap as well as all the way around the side. So she's great if you have a shaved head, nature's Velcro. We've got fuzzy felt here on the ear tabs with a little bit of metal to keep them flush up against the side of your head. We have an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. This one stretches all right for an Wille wig, though I will say she's not really appropriate for the big-headed tribe. So if you're of the average large, circumference like me, you may want to avoid Wille just full stop. Aside from some of their human hair pieces and some of the Prime Power collection pieces. Those are actually kind of stretchy. Like Emotion by Wille has one of the stretchiest, most versatile caps I've ever had on my head. It's a great wig if you are kind of in between sizes, either average petite or average large. It has a lot of customability in the back, but not all their wigs are like that, and particularly the synthetics all fit a little bit on the small side. It's a 3.7 ounce wig, so she's nice and lightweight, especially given how much hair you're getting here. And truth be told, it's not a ton of hair, it just looks like it because of the texture. The bang is 6 inches, the crown down is 9, the sides are 7, and the nape is also 7. So this is definitely kind of like a shorter mid-length cut. Reminds me a little bit of like something like Tress by Raquel Welch, very similar style, except this one's way curlier, obviously. It's kind of like what would happen if Tress and something like the Kona by Beltress had a baby. So there you have it. This is the Beach Mono by Wille in the color light Bernstein rooted. I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. If you enjoy what we do here, please be sure to subscribe and check out our wig store if you get a chance. And until next time, have a great afternoon, everybody. Bye-bye.